How to become a real estate agent with no experience. Real estate investing planning has many different steps that an investor should follow. First off, the investor should make sure that while they are investing in real estate, they have enough cash reserves for not only their bills and daily living expenses but also for holding the property until it provides some cash flow. Real estate investing planning involves being ready for the worst-case scenario. This includes the cost of holding onto the property longer than the investor plans, as well as other costs like running ads in newspapers. Real estate investing can be a great way to generate cash, but given that everything cannot be controlled, it can also possibly cost a lot of cash. Cash in real estate investing can be used for rehab costs, interest and mortgage payments, insurance, and a host of other costs. These costs must be included in your real estate investing plan. All bases must be covered so that your real estate investing can yield the maximum profit available. The real estate investor needs to make sure that he or she has covered their own personal bills when investing in real estate so that they won't be too dependent on the real estate cash flow. This will allow the real estate deal to develop to its full potential instead of accelerating it and missing out on some cash flow or profit. Closing costs should also be factored into the deal. It is better to overestimate costs than to underestimate them.